Alrighty, we have a junction box here, and they used orange wire nuts on two number 12 wires, and this orange wire nut is too small, so we're going to take this off. Let's rip one a little longer here. Get our wires lined up so they're even. Flip them so they're even. So here in the country I was born in, we use wire nuts, and they come in different sizes. And we're going to use the medium size here, one which is the tan. So we'll get our insulation even at the top and our copper even at the bottom here like this. Take our wire nut, make sure it grabs both wires. And we'll just twist it on here nice and tight. We'll pull our white wires down here. We'll see what we have. Wow, look how uneven that was. Okay, they'll be even if I line them up like that. So I'll just straighten our white wire out. We'll get our insulation even at the top and our copper even at the bottom. Get our wire nut. Let it grab both wires. Okay, I'll take it off and make sure they didn't move. Okay, there they are, they're even. Make sure they're nice and tight. And now we'll look at our grounding. The ground wires weren't even together here. See? They were left open. So there is a green screw up here. So we can open it up. Nope, that's not a green screw. It doesn't look like there's a hole for one. I think that's a hole for one right up here. So we'll take our green screw here, see if that hole is threaded for one. Yes, it is. Okay, so we'll take a piece of number 12 scrap wire here. We'll strip it down here. Whoops, I cut a piece with the 14 hole, so see how hitting it with the wrong size hole can damage the wire? So I'll start over again with a fresh piece here. So we'll take our loop, we'll make it go the direction our screw turns. And we can fold our white wires up into our box. We can fold our black wires up into our box. And now we'll get our ground wires together here. We'll cut them so they're all even there. And we'll use a red wire nut here. Make sure they're all even on the bottom here. Make sure they're all even on the bottom. Let the wire nut grab them all. I'm not squeezing on the wire nut, I'm just twisting it. There we go, we got them all together. And we get our ground wires up into the box. And just make sure our box is up here nice and tight. And now we are up to code. Now we're going to put our cover up here. And I have I brought down some 832 screws. Make sure that I can hit the wires. Peace. Thanks for watching. That is how to properly wire a junction box here in the country I was born in.